Today we can learn about squares and square roots. We know that the area of a square is side into side. We can just form area of some squares if the sides are of given values. Side is given, we will find the area. If side of the given square is 1 units, then the area will be 1 into 1, that is 1. If side of the square is 2 centimeter, then the area will be 2 into 2, 4. If the side is 5, then the area will be 5 into 5, 25. And if the side is 25, the area will be 25 into 25, 625. All these answers 1, 4, 25 and 625 are squares of given numbers 1, 2, 5, 25 respectively. Now let us find out the squares of numbers from 1 to 30. One square of 1 will be 1 into 1, 1. Square of 2, 2 into 2, 4. 3, 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81 and 10 into 10, 100. 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, 13 13s are 169, 14 14s are 196, 15 15s are 225, 16 16s are 256, 17 17s are 289, 18 18s are 324, 19 19s are 361, 20 20s are 400. 21 21s are 441, 22 22s are 484, 23 23s are 529, 24 24s are 576, 25 25s are 625, 26 26 are 676, 27 27s are 729, 28 28s are 784, 29 29s are 841 and 30 30s are 900. Here from the table we can see that the square numbers only ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Now let us go through the properties of square numbers. First property, as we have seen earlier, the n places of square numbers will be 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Consider the square numbers ending with 1. So from the table we can see that the square numbers such as 1, 81, 121, 361, 441, all these numbers are ending with 1 and its number is 1 is the square of 1, 81 is the square of 9, 121 is the square of 11, 361 is the square of 19 and 441 is the square of 21. From this table we can say that if a number has 1 or 9 in the unit place, then its square ends with 1. Consider the square numbers ending with 4. So from previous table we can say that the square numbers with 4, 64, 144, 324 and 484 are ending with 4. So 4 is the square of 2, 64 is the square of 8, 144 is the square of 12, 324 is the square of 18, 484 is the square of 22. From this we can say that if a number has 2 or 8 in the unit place, then its square ends with 4. Now consider the square numbers ending with 6. As like previous one, from the table we can find that all the numbers 16, 36, 196, 256, 576 etc. are ending with 6. So 16 is the square of 4, 36 is the square of 6, 196 is the square of 14, 256 is the square of 16 and 576 is the square of 24. So from this table also we can say that if a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, then its square ends with 6. Fifth property, if a number has 5 in the unit place, then its square ends with 25. And if a number has 0 in the unit place, then its square ends with double the number of zeros in the given number. If the given number has 2 zeros at the end, then the square number will be having the double, that is 4 zeros. Next we can learn how to find the square of a given number. We have 2-3 methods for doing this. First one, if the number is multiplied twice, we get the square of that number. So we need to find the square of 23. So we can write it as 23 into 23, and by normal multiplication we can find the square of 23. Here 3 into 3 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 again, 2 2s are 4. So the answer by plussing we will get 9, 6 plus 6 12, 1 remainder, 4 plus 1 5. So the square of 23 is 529. Second method, we can find using the identity a plus b whole square. So 23 square again we can take. So 23 into 23 we can write it as 23 square. And 23 we can turn to 20 plus 3. So 20 plus 3 whole square is nothing but 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. By using bracket opening method, we can open the brackets by multiplying 20 into both the numbers in the next bracket, and next by 3 into both the numbers in the next bracket. So we will get 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3 will be equal to 20 into 20 400 plus 20 into 3 60 plus 3 into 20 60 plus 3 into 3 9. So whole total it will become 529. We can use one more method to find the square of a number. So again we'll try finding the square of 23. That is 23 into 23 we need to find. So the number just before 23 which we can easily find the square is 20. 20 into 20 we know that it is 400 because 2 into 2 will become 4 and we can add 2 more zeros. So 20 into 20 will be 400. So we can find the square of next number, that is 21, by adding 21 square is equal to 20 square, that is 400, plus 20 plus 21, that is 441, and 22 square will be 21 square, that is 441 plus 21 plus 22, and 23 square will be 22 square, that is 484, plus 22 plus 23, that is 529. That is, to finding square of a number we can find by taking the square of previous number plus the previous number and the given number. Hope you understood the video. Thank you and have a nice day.